Tesla's Cybertruck delivery extravaganza. Elon Musk personally hands over first trucks. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. After a tumultuous 4-year journey of delays and challenges, the long-awaited Tesla Cybertruck has officially hit the scene. Elon Musk, Tesla's CEO, spearheaded a grand delivery event at the Austin, Texas factory, showcasing the Cybertruck's impressive towing capabilities, bulletproof doors, and lightning-fast acceleration. Despite a slight hiccup with the door mechanism during deliveries, numerous customers celebrated the momentous occasion. Following the event, Tesla promptly updated the vehicle's specifications, pricing, and more on its website. The base rear-wheel drive model, priced at $60,990 pre-discounts, won't be available until 2025. Meanwhile, the top-tier Cyberbeast comes with a hefty $99,990 price tag and an estimated range of 320 miles. During the event, Musk shared key specifications for the Cybertruck. Top range, 340 miles. Tow rating, 11,000 pounds, comparable to the Rivian R1T, slightly less than the estimated 14,000 plus pounds. Payload, 2,500 pounds, 815 pounds less than the Ford F-150's max rating. 0 to 60 time, 2.6 seconds, faster than the estimated 2.9 seconds. Curb weight, 6,850 pounds, approximately 300 pounds less than the Rivian R1T. Lockable storage, 67 cubic feet, a discrepancy from Tesla's initial claim of 100 cubic feet. Tires, 35-inch all-terrain. Ground clearance, 17 inches. Drag coefficient, 0.335, originally scheduled for late 2021 production. Delays ensued due to supply chain challenges and manufacturing complexities. Initial production numbers are expected to be limited as Tesla works towards full-scale production. The Cybertruck, with its unique and polarizing design, generated significant hype throughout the year, with prototype sightings amplifying the anticipation. Notably, the windshield wiper alone became a subject of fascination in the lead-up to the event. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button.